Chimney flashing problems. Well, probably the person that redid your roof should have really been doing the flashing. There's two parts to the flashing. There's a step flashing, which goes up on the deck underneath each shingle, and there's a counter flashing that goes from the masonry surface down. It's movable. These are expanding, contracting all the time. A good flashing job is crucial to be done on a chimney. There are some alternatives to actual flashing. There's actually some flash and seal materials, which use a mesh that's wrapped around it, then coated on it, and they do a great job. They're extremely effective in keeping water out of the chimney. Any place there's penetration through the ceiling, it needs some type of flashing. One of the biggest problems I found out with flashing is that it's never been cut properly, and people that don't know how to put flashing together don't really do it right. They don't use the right materials. There's certain materials that should be used and certain materials that shouldn't be used on a flashing system, and it should be done at the same time. A lot of roofing jobs get done with just the counter put on, no step flashing put in or replaced. It's really serious whenever you're talking about water entering into a home. Repairs are pretty simple. It's either replaced or coated over. And the coating overs work today's materials are extremely well put together. The adhesive ability of the flash materials that are out there today are just amazing. Water that enters your house is not your friend. People don't walk away from water problems in their attic. They gotta get them fixed. And normally the flashing has something to do with it. If you're in the greater Cincinnati area, give us a call here at American Chimney. My name's Clay. The number here is 662-4600, and I'll make sure I have the courtesy to get back with you.